Hi everyone, today we are doing another masterclass and this time we're with the amazing chef Andrew Clarke from Acme Fire Cult.
But I'm also feeling these now just to see where we're at. I'm going to slice these two because they're good.
It's been brilliant, Neil, hasn't it?
It has, Tara. It's been absolutely magnificent. Andrew's been cooking some brilliant stuff, and I think what's fantastic about it is that not entirely and not exclusively and not for any philosophical reasons, it's been focused mainly on vegetables.
Like it steams in its own juices essentially, and then you'd rip down the blackened outside skin, dip it in a salsa romesco, which is an almond-based sauce, lots of red pepper, paprika, garlic.
You learn so much from people like Andrew. One of the things that he was talking about, which I think is really interesting, is that the flavour range of vegetables is enormous compared to the flavour range of meat, protein, which is relatively narrow. So even if you think about all the seasonings that you put on meat in terms of sauces and stuff, they're based on vegetables.
Yeah.
So we've got vegetables, we've got fruit, we've got pulses, we've got stuff which is smoked, there's stuff which is pickled, we've got stuff which is roasted.
It's all delicious.
And it's just a fantastic combination of flavour, of colour, of texture. Just fabulous.
They are such a sweet cabbage that by the time you've got a mouthful of a bit of the burnt stuff and the rest of it, it all just comes together. And we want things that have big flavours. So we look towards Mexico, we look towards Thailand, India. Garlic, soft-ish, just good. Tomatoes, blackened skin, getting soft. How are we feeling about it?
Yeah. Feeling like it's bloody delicious.
Yeah?
Thank you for today, that was absolutely amazing.
Oh, it's a pleasure, absolute pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Could you kind of give the guys back home what did we have on the menu today? Because it was
What didn't we have?
What didn't we have? I know.
I think it might have been a bit ambitious. We had about 5 courses. Acme Classic is our grilled leeks with pistachio romesco. We had some char-grilled hispy cabbage with a pumpkin seed pesto. Some little sweet potato fondants that we put a buttermilk crema and loads of cheddar over the top of that. So we had a lovely cold roasted beetroot salad that we dressed in a mojo verde, lots of citrus fruits, some pickled kumquats and fennel pollen.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
And then finally some ribs of beef with a really simple but pungent salsa roja. How is it?
Delicious.
Yeah, thank you so much.